Hi, my name is Michaela and I work at the Winkler Library in the Bookland Explorers program. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own natural paint. So first you're going to want to go into nature and grab anything that has color in it. I grabbed some leaves off the tree, as you can see here, and I went to the garden and found some pollen. It didn't really work out, but if you had enough, it would actually make a nice orange color. Anyway, I'm back in my kitchen now, and I'll show you what ingredients I've gathered. I've got an onion, an egg, some blackberries, turmeric, the lily pollen from earlier, instant coffee, leaves, and strawberries. So first we're going to deal with our soft pigments. So those are the berries and the leaves. Pigment is what makes paint have color, and berries have lots of color in them. Start by mashing up your berries. We're going to put them aside for now and finish the rest of the pigments first. I recommend taking off the green parts of strawberries to get a brighter red. And finally, the leaves. It does matter which leaves you pick. As you can see, these leaves I chose earlier were kind of crumbly and didn't have any juice. So, I switched them out. These are petunia leaves, but spinach leaves work just as well. You can see the juices coming out of them right now. With these three pigments extracted, let's see if we can get any color from the pollen that I picked earlier. As you can see, I got a little bit of orange color, but not enough to make actual paint. Let's break out the onion. So you're going to want to peel your onion. Maybe not that fast, and save the onion for cooking. I'm also taking out the instant coffee because both the onion skin and the instant coffee will need hot water added to them to make the pigment come out. Add your onion skins to a bowl. And pour hot water over them. The more time you let them sit in the hot water, the stronger color you will get. The same goes for the instant coffee. Make sure there's no clumps in there. Now we've got those two pigments done, let's put those aside. And break out the egg. I'm sure you're wondering why I have an egg. Well, we're going to use the yolk as a binder to hold the powdered turmeric together. After you've cracked your egg, separate the yolk from the white, and you should be able to hold the yolk in your hand. Next, mix the yolk and the turmeric together to make a thick paste. Now that we've extracted all of our pigments and added binders to our powdered pigments, it's time to dilute them with a solvent. In this case, I'm using water. With the berries and the leaves, I add hot water to them and pass them through a strainer. Fun fact, that paint may look purple right now, but it actually dries to be a nice light blue. As you can see, the lilies didn't really extract much color. I'll try again a different time if I have any more pollen. As for the onion skins, just take them out of your water and you should have a very light yellow paint that you can use. The instant coffee mixture should be ready to paint with. And finally, the turmeric. Add warm water to the turmeric and egg yolk paste until it's relatively smooth. Next, I'm transferring all of my paints into smaller containers so they're easier to paint with. Congratulations! You just made paint using natural ingredients you can find in your house or outside. Thanks for watching! Bye!